Channel. So today's video is about one of the bank which is actually is giving very good compounded returns over a period of 10 to 15 years time. So this is also one of the bank where the people, the high rich people, HNIs, high net worth individuals started accumulating in from the quarter three onwards. So this is nothing but Kotak Mahindra Bank. So as you can see here, so the HNIs were holding almost like 15,923 uh, crores of shareholding in December. So which was actually 14,404. So almost an increase of 1,500 crores. That means if you see, they are keep on accumulating it. So this bank is actually opened by Mr. Uday Kotak. He is currently retired. I think last quarter only retired. That's also one reason I think is kind of little bit struggling in price increase. Otherwise, as you can see, Jay Kotak is actually already Uday Kotak's son, so he is already part of the bank. He is actually co-heading the digital bank Kotak 811. He holds an MBA from Harvard Business School. You know, and also he's got a BE in history from Columbia University. So as you can see, promoter are the one who is running. I think the next next generation is already into the bank, so you don't need to worry about management and other things. So what I was saying, you can see here from last 10 years, it is given in 19%. This is actually excluding dividend. So if you have bought shares 10 years back, you're almost getting also like 5 to 7% of dividend as well. And also, I mean, this has not given much returns in last 3 years. However, even in spite of that, it has given 19%. So this is a really very very good bank if you're looking for a consistent returns of 20 to 25% over the next period. You need to look into this. And also, I mean, I will also give you different overview about what and all business they're holding. Each business also will be split into different individual businesses. So definitely, it's going to be very very good bet. And also, it is currently undervalued. So let me start quickly with the details about the business, what they are doing and other things. So as you know, Kotak Mahindra Bank, this has got, apart from the bank, this is also into different businesses. As you can see, Kotak Mahindra Prime, that 811 account, what I was saying, that is actually Prime. And apart from that, actually they've got Mahindra Investments and BSS Microfinance, Kotak Securities, Kotak Mahindra Capital, Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance, Kotak AMC, and all these businesses. So each of this business, so once they are matured enough or the business is very good, then they will also split into individual companies. You are also going to get the shareholding of that companies. So, for example, if you see ICC Bank, ICC Bank has got ICC Lombard General Insurance Company is there, ICICI Life Insurance is there. Similarly, ICICI Securities is there. Like this, you can already see these three companies have been already split by ICC Bank. There is a very good chance that you are also going to this also going to be split and you're going to get the business. In terms of business, as you can see, this is bank is the major business. It has actually earned almost like 3,000 crores of revenue, crores of profit in the last quarter. In here, actually, it's kind of in the last year it has made 10,939 crores of business. So these are all the individual businesses. Kotak AMC is mutual fund business. That also there are a lot of AMC, UTI, MNC, and a lot of other listed companies are there. So similarly, this also can be splitted into companies. So yeah, in terms of bank wise, if you see, they've got almost like 1,869 branches all over around India. It's there is no concentration. Like for example, if you see, I had made a last time video, South Indian Bank and other things, they are specific to Kerala, City Union Bank specific to Tamil Nadu, like that. But this bank, as you can see, it is almost distributed properly. West has got 588 branches, north, south, it's almost equally distributed. So this is the bank related thing. Important thing in terms of bank is, NIM is important. So 5.22, this is very good, the NIM. uh, Return on assets 2.2. For example, IDFC First Bank and all, they're struggling at one of return on assets. And customer assets, it's having a loan book of almost like 4 lakh crores. Just to give an example, IDFC First Bank has got a loan book of about 1.8 lakhs. Similarly, City Union Bank, which I was reviewing few days back, it has got a loan book of 50,000 crores kind of thing. CASA ratio, this is really good. And the important thing is net NPO. This is super, NPA. That means whatever the non-performing assets, the bad loans, the people who are not paying back is very, very low, 0.34. This is best in the industry. And capital adequacy ratio, it is also very good. Bank RBI rule has got a capital adequacy ratio of 12. This Kotak Mahindra Bank has almost got a 21.2%. So apart from these, they are also raised almost like 10,000 crores for the loan and other things, to give the loan and other things. If you see the 10,000 crores additional amount what they raised, so the car will be in a also better situation. So customer assets also is really good. Uh, I mean, just I wanted to give you what kind of business they're doing. Home loans they're giving, this is kind of a secured. They also given a percentage. Unsecured retail is very, very less, 11.6. This is very, very good. There is an RBA rule. They have actually given a warning that stating that the unsecured loan is getting increased, and you have to be careful like that. If you see here, Kotak Mahindra Bank, it's very, very good level, 11.6 of the overall book. That's really good. If you see here, home loan anyway, it will have a mortgage, consumer bank, consumer durable. This also will have a additional uh, this whatever the consumer durable item what they have bought, for example, fridge, washing machine, whatever that kind of, there is a co-guarantee will be there. Credit cards kind of little bit risky, but still whatever the earn it's more. This is vehicles, agriculture, tractor business they're doing, retail, microfinancing they're doing, corporate banking, this is small and medium enterprises. So this is kind of loan, different loan books what they are giving it to. So as I said, GNPA and NPA are, they are really very, very good level. As you can see, it was 1.72 and this is 0.334. I think this is also really good. Yeah, bank is really doing good. These are all the different CASA ratios in terms of deposits. Current account has got a 59,337 deposit they've got. This is raised by 5% year to year. And savings account, this is really good. People are, even in spite of having a very less interest what they're paying, people are leaving their money in the savings account. I'm not sure why they're doing that, but still, if you see 1,23,227 is in savings accounts, and term deposits also is at actually 216. As you can see, the growth is really good. Uh, Cost of savings points is 4.1 for average. Wow, this is unbelievable. 4% they're giving to in the savings account. Still, people 1,23 crore to 227 crores is there in savings account. I don't know who is keeping that. Personally, I don't keep it. Instead of that, I can put it into some of the companies where they're giving already 4% dividend plus capital also will increase. Yeah. Uh, Yeah, this is AMC business. Just I want to give, AMC means assets under management. This is mutual fund and other businesses. It has got uh, 3,53,885 they are managing. So it's not a big business in terms of revenue. It's 197 last quarter. But as I said, these also individually can become companies over a period of time. Once they think that okay, they are matured enough to independently go ahead, then they will split it and you will get the shares. That's also another thing. If you keep it for a long term, this is going to be really 20 to 25% uh, compounder over a period of time. Yeah. Uh, this is Prime, as I said, 811 account and other things. This is also doing really good. There is a good growth between last year and this year. And this is also can become a separate entity going forward as well. NPA is also less. And as I said, this is say insurance business. This is also given a profit of 140. This is also not so big as of now, but it's good. Solvency ratio is 2.66. Group insurance. This they give the details about premium, what the kind of premium they're getting it. So I don't want to get into individual businesses because it's not that much big business as well. But however, just to want to give you a brief about what kind of business they're doing. This is securities. I think that they've also got this. I don't know whether any of you are owning the this demat account from Kotak. They are also giving self trading customers 65% it has got, and also they have got a neo platform. They are has now positioned in the form of strong growth. So this Kotak Securities Neo demat account also is getting famous. This much of overall advances it has got, and in terms of profit, I think this is already a big business. Total income they've got almost like that's 1,000 crores now. Profit after tax is almost like 306. Yeah. Just I would like to give next part is historic valuation and what is the current valuation it has got. Just if I go back here, why I like this bank is uh, the number of shares is less, 199. If you just to give an example, if you compare IDFC First Bank, it has got 707 crores of shares. So this one can definitely has got a room for getting a lot of equity, and they can get the money, free money. And face value is 5. Current price is 1,742. So currently, the market cap is 3,46,000. Current P is also, it's not that much. 20. It is actually, reasonable price, reasonable PE. Important thing is price to book value 3.1. So just I wanted to give you the valuation what it was trading before and currently now. Now, if I just give you the price to book value, very very important. I think Kotak Mahindra Bank was a solid bank. Always it was getting premium valuations. So this is the right time, which has really the price to book value has gone down as you can see here. Let me select a 10-year period. You can see here Kotak Mahindra Bank is always having getting a super valuations always. You can see here. So it is almost getting a price to book value of 5 always. So currently because of multiple reasons it has gone down in spite of the increase in the book value. The book value is always going up as you can see here. In spite of this, the price to book value has come down. It is at almost like a low level. It's almost 3.1 now. This is really undervalued. I definitely confident that it will at least get a price to book value of 40 as soon as this Ipari and the market. Currently, it is market is trading at very high level. Everybody want to chase the small caps and mid caps. So nobody wants to get into these large caps, safe bets. When the markets started falling down, that's when the this these blue chips will come into picture. As I already showed you here, so already HNI started accumulating this share. Uh, Historically, this was almost trading at 4 to 5 level range. Now it is at 3 level. Even if you give a valuation of uh, 5 book value, it should definitely just a moment. Let me take a calculator. This should yeah. The book value, current book value is 563. 563 into, just to give an example, if you give 4, it will be 2,252 should be the price. If you give in a good level, if you give 5, then it should go to 2,800. You know, this is really, definitely it's going to get back its, uh, premium valuation because of the NPA. It's very less, and it is, all around India. This is, is there, as well as, the currently the CASA ratio now things very very less. It's only 4.1. Just to give you an, details about the promoter holding, still Mr. Uday Kotak is holding 2.91 percentage of shares. That too because of the RBI rule. It's not allowing anybody to own more than 25%. There was an exclusive, approval was given to Mr. Uday Kotak to own this much. So FIIs, they have sold it compared to last quarter, but however, as you can see here, DIIs are started accumulating. It has become 21%, 38 is the, current shareholding. You can also see here, LIC is holding 6.2%, and this one, National Pension Scheme, it is keep on accumulating more and more. There is a new entry here, ICICI Prudential also it is, entered, and also HDFC Mutual Fund also entered here. So UTI Mutual Fund, as you can see, they are holding 1.04. Each quarter they keep on increasing it. So, and our public holding is keep on reducing compared to last quarter. Just let me quickly check if there is any, anybody prominent name in the uh, public holding. So there is only one company, Caladium Investment. So this is the one of the, major shareholding in terms of public. Yeah, and just to come back to the last one, so these are all the, different price target by different analysts. I don't want to go to, individual uh, PDF document for given by different, analysts, but just I would like to show you what are the different price targets given by them. For example, if you see BOB Capital, it has given a target of 2,100. It is currently, 20% more than the current price. So again, BP Wealth, it has given at, oh, not sure what is the price. Here, KR Choksi has given a target of 23.39. Similarly, Axis Direct has given a 22% target. And, average target is, if you can see here, 2,100 to 2,300 they've given. They are almost, 25, 30, 15, 20% range. So if you are looking for a consistent compounder, if you don't want to do anything, just invest and forget. And also, if you are scared of, getting into small caps and mid caps, this is really a good compounder. Just let me quickly show you the price chart as well at the end. And also, they are consistently paying the dividend as well, even though currently it is not that much, but still they are paying some dividend. So 1,600 is the uh, 52-week low price, so it's also currently, at same price. This is also another advantage. And if we go back to the price was also, yeah, price, okay, it's almost it's, from 2020 the price was 1,700. It is at the same price from last four years. So it is almost at the 200-day moving average price. Definitely now it will shoot up. I don't know. It is consolidating here. A lot of people are accumulating and old people are selling it out. So as soon as the accumulation phase is over, it is accumulating from last 4 years. Definitely it will start going up. So as you can see, maximum if I give, this is really given a lot of good returns. From 56 to 1,700, it's kind of a compounder. It's really keep on going up. So if you're looking for, 20 to 25%, I would definitely recommend you to buy it. As always, I am not a SEBI registered financial advisor. Please, take this as an educational purpose video and take your own call to buy or sell. I hope this video helped you. Thanks and bye for now.